Now I'm gonna explain what makes FurCobra Pro so special. Normally, when you have short, spiky hair stuck in the upholstery, you know you are in big trouble. Especially when if you have cleaned that upholstery before with some sort of cleaning system like pumice stone or those metal plates. Those are based on sharp edges and it will break these upholstery loops and make it fluffy. Then you have even more problems. So beware, if you use those, you're gonna cause yourself more trouble. Here we have triple pressure plate of FurCobra. And I tell you what is the problem with the short hair. This is magnified something like 1,000 times. This is demonstration tool. Here we have short hair stuck in upholstery just like that. And you can see part of the hair just like this. And when you use any cleaning tools, there is so little hair visible, so it needs to be really high pressure to create enough friction to pull out this hair from the upholstery. Because normally if you wipe it from this direction like this, it doesn't come off, and if you like it like this, and if there is not enough friction, it's not gonna work. So that's why we have this triple pressure plate. This creates so much pressure and so much friction for so small area. And here we have the pull mastiff hair stuck in the upholstery, and all you need to do is just wipe to different directions, because stuck hair will come to the surface if you just swipe it to different directions. Because if you wipe it from this direction to that, it will pick up the hair. And if you wipe it to the other directions, it will just bend and it doesn't come off. I hope this helps.